How to log into your Fortnite account on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into our Fortnite account on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To log into your Fortnite account, whether you're trying to log in the game or maybe you're trying to log in on the website, just go to fortnite.com. Then you'll find your profile icon from the top right. Now I'll just go ahead and sign up because you can see I'm already signed in. So once you go to fortnite.com, you'll find the sign in button from the top right. So click on that little option there. Now your Fortnite account is just your Epic Games account, so you can just go ahead and make sure to log in with the Epic Games account, and then you'll be logged in on Fortnite. This way you can log into Fortnite on PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.